Okay, hello and namaste. I am Jeevan Bista from Nepal. Welcome to all of you in my Bansuri class. I would like to teach today the lesson number 8. Lesson number 8, first of all, you may write down, then after we will. I wrote in here two ways. First, upper one and down one. I wrote same thing, same lesson, but it's different in beat, in timing. So first is sa ga re ma ga pa ma da pa ni da sa, like this, and same in down, sa ga, rest, sa ga re ma ga pa ma da. Okay, have a look and have a write clearly. So now I will gonna play first sa ga re ma, non-stop. It's no rest there, just play. One note, one count. And again, now down one with sustain. Okay, I give now, then you may practice and practice, then after you will be perfect. Hope you are enjoyed the tutorial and stay tuned for the next video. Until that, namaste.